has gone ahead to want to reject it. And because it is the probability of making type 1 error, the level of significance should be kept as small as ever. However, when we come to confidence level, the confidence level, of course, is defined as the probability that the true population parameter will lie within the confidence interval. That is how we define the level of significance and how we define the confidence level. Level of significance, probability of making type 1 error. What is type 1 error on its own? It is the probability of rejecting a true null hypothesis. What is confidence level? The probability that a true population parameter will lie within the interval constructed for it. However, there is another extended explanation of confidence level beyond what I have just explained. And let me equally explain that confidence extension of a confidence level, such that when you are going through the pages of your textbooks, you will not be able to see that they might be referring to the same thing when they give different explanation about the confidence level. The earlier explanation I gave about confidence level says that it is the probability that the true population parameter will lie within the confidence interval constructed for it. However, in statistics, when we want to make our results to be sound statistically, one is expected to know the confidence we have that when this our experiment or trial is repeated over time, some people will say ad infinitum, that we are going to arrive at the same results. So the experimenter is giving out assurance, is giving out confidence that when this experiment or trial is repeated over time, over and again, that the result is going to arrive at the same thing. That is equally what we mean by confidence level. So confidence level can be that assurance, that confidence, that probability that when a certain trial or experiment is repeated over time, that the result is going to be the same thing. That is what we mean by confidence level. And that time you begin to hear people